Mastering pronouns. Using specific nouns for clarity. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into a topic that can sometimes be tricky, but is essential for clear and effective communication, using specific nouns and pronoun reference. Pronouns can be a great tool to avoid repetition in our writing and speech, but they can also cause confusion if it's not clear what or who they're referring to. So, we're going to focus on strategies to make your pronoun usage as clear as possible. Let's start with a quick recap of what a pronoun is. Pronouns are words that take the place of a noun in a sentence. They can stand in for people, places, things, or ideas. Examples include he, she, it, they, this, those, and many others. A pronoun reference is the relationship between a pronoun and the noun it is replacing. For instance, in the sentence, John is happy because he just got a promotion, he is the pronoun that refers to John. But what happens when this relationship is not clear? Confusion, that's what. Imagine reading the sentence, John told James that he failed the test. Who failed the test? Was it John or James? This is where we encounter ambiguous pronoun reference. To avoid this, we must ensure that each pronoun clearly refers to a specific noun, or its antecedent. Using specific nouns can clear up a lot of the ambiguity. For instance, in the previous example, we could rewrite the sentence as, John told James that James had failed the test. This way, it's clear that James is the one who failed. You might be thinking that repeating James sounds redundant, and you're right. But sometimes, repeating the noun is the best way to make your meaning crystal clear. There's another strategy you could use as well, rearranging the sentence. Instead of repeating the noun, you could say, John gave James the news of his test failure. Here, it's clear that the failure belongs to James, and we've avoided repeating the name. And that's a wrap on using specific nouns and pronoun reference. Remember, the goal of communication is to share ideas clearly and effectively. Sometimes, that means going the extra mile to make sure your meaning cannot be misunderstood. With a bit of practice, these strategies will become second nature. We hope this lesson has shed some light on how to use pronouns and their references effectively. Keep practicing, keep learning, and as always, happy English learning!